Step 1. Remove the factory transmission pan heat shields. Step 2. Remove factory transmission pan bolts to partially drain the fluid. Leave a few bolts on and do not remove the pan for now. Step 3. Remove the remaining bolts in the factory pan. Be careful to avoid spillage. Step 4. To lift up the transmission, remove the bolts securing the transmission mount to the transmission tail housing. In our application, the driver's side exhaust cross pipe hanger bracket bolt has to be removed first to remove the driver's side transmission mount bolts. Remove the driver's side transmission mount to tail housing bolts. Step 5. Jack up the transmission. Step 6. Thoroughly clean the factory gasket and align it on top of the PPE pan. Factory bolts will be reused for this installation. Note that there are two different sizes for the spot faces. The big ones are for the 13mm stud bolts. The small ones are for the regular 8mm bolts. Step 7. Install the PPE pan in place with one bolt on each side, finger tight only. Step 8. Install the remaining bolts and stud bolts finger tight. Step 9. In a crossing pattern, tighten the stud bolts to 108 pound-inches and the regular bolts to 95 pound-inches. Step 10. Reinstall the factory heat shields. Step 11. Lower the transmission and reinstall the transmission mount bolts and hanger bracket, if removed. Fluid filling. Step 1. Remove the transmission fill plug. Step 2. Roughly measure how much fluid was drained from earlier. Add 2 quarts on top of that as the amount for the initial fill. In this video, we added 8 quarts for the initial fill. Reinstall the fill plug to 52 pound-feet. Step 3. Start the engine and idle for 60 seconds. Step 4. Place the gear selector in each position for 5 seconds. Step 5. Test drive the vehicle until the transmission temperature reading on the instrumental cluster reaches 206 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 6. With engine running and gear selector in park, remove the fill plug. Wipe the dipstick clean, reinstall the plug, then remove the plug again. Check if the fluid level indication is within the correct region, as specified in your Ford service manual. Add or remove fluid as needed to correct the level. Reinstall the fill plug to 52 pound-feet. Installation complete.